Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel DilKiBaatAliSy. Today we are discussing about the topic of best travel insurance companies of September 2023. सो अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और शेयर कर दें ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इस वीडियो को देख सकें और इससे फ़ायदा हासिल कर सकें। तो आइए चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की जानिब। तो हमारा वीडियो का टॉपिक है बेस्ट ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज ऑफ सितंबर 2023। In this video, he asks us that you may be swapping out your flip flops and margaritas for snuggly sweaters and pumpkin spice beverages, but a solid travel insurance policy is always in season. The best travel insurance plans package together valuable benefits that save you money if unexpected events disrupt your trip. Why you can trust Forbes Advisor. Compare travel insurance quotes. The best travel insurance companies. STH Worldwide, great for medical coverage. Nationwide, best for upgrades. Seven Corners, best value for robust coverage. Travel Insured, best for non-medical evacuation. Travel Safe, best for missed connection coverage. World Trips, great for add-on coverage. AXA Assistant USA, best for baggage and personal effects coverage. CAT 70, great for parents. Generally Global Assistance, great for pre-existing medical condition coverage. IMG, great for dog owners. John Hancock Insurance Agency, best for AD&D coverage. Tinlac, great for price. Travelex Insurance Services, best for families. Traffic International, great for rental car coverage. USI Affinity Travel Insurance Services, great for superior coverage. Berkshire Hathaway Travel Protection, great for hurricane and weather. Goret Insurance, best for price. Here are some insurance companies that provide insurance trip for trips and travels. Now we are discussing about the what does travel insurance cover. Comprehensive travel insurance policies package together a number of valuable benefits. You can also buy policies that cover only trip cancellation or only medical expenses. With the wide variety of travel insurance plans available, you can find coverage levels that will fit your budget and trip needs. Look for these top coverage options in a comprehensive travel insurance plan. Trip cancellation insurance. You did not book a trip with the intention of canceling it, but unexpected illness, injury, family member sickness, jury duty, and more could disrupt plans. Trip cancellation insurance reimburses you 100% for money you lost in prepaid non refundable deposits if you have to cancel for a reason listed in the policy. If COVID is a concern, you can find travel insurance policies that cover COVID related trip cancellation if you contract the virus right before the trip. A good strategy for trip cancellation coverage is to buy insurance for the total amount you have put into non refundable and prepaid deposits. Don't insure refundable amounts like refundable plane tickets because you cannot make an insurance claim for that. Travel delay insurance. It can be inconvenient, stressful, and costly if your trip is delayed due to unforeseen events. Travel delay Travel delay insurance reimburses you for expenses if you are stuck somewhere due to a holdup that's covered by your travel insurance plan. For example, if you are standing in an airport all day because bad weather delays your flight, travel delay insurance can reimburse you for necessities like food and toiletries. If you have a long delay, travel delay benefits can pay for an Uber, a night in a hotel, and meals. Travel delay insurance has a specified waiting period before benefits apply. For example, 6 or 12 hours, and also a per day maximum limit and a total maximum per person. Cancel for any reason coverage. If you want the freedom to cancel your trip no matter what, look for travel insurance that allows you to upgrade your trip cancellation insurance to cancel for any reason travel insurance. Having CFAR allows you to cancel your trip for any reason that is not listed in your base policy. For example, you could cancel a trip because you simply don't feel like going anymore as long as you do so at least 48 hours before your departure time. Reimbursement under a CFAR claim is 75% or 50% of your trip cost, not the 100% that is available under the base trip cancellation coverage. CFAR adds an average of about 50% to an insurance plan's cost. Not all travel insurance companies offer a CFAR upgrade. Travel medical insurance. Travel medical insurance pays for ambulance service, X-rays, lab work, medicine, doctor and hospital bills, and other medical expenses during your trip. This is important coverage for travelers going abroad, where your US health plan may have limited global coverage or no coverage. You can find generous coverage limits of up to 500k dollar per person with some travel insurance policies, but you may decide that lower levels of coverage are adequate for your needs. The best travel insurance for seniors includes travel medical insurance because Medicare does not pay for healthcare outside the US except in very limited circumstances. Many travel insurance policies cover COVID related medical expenses just like any other illness, but not all do. So be sure to confirm that COVID is covered by your travel insurance policy if you contract the virus during your trip. Emergency medical evacuation coverage. This is also important coverage for those traveling abroad, especially if you are going to a remote area where quality medical care might be hard to find. Emergency medical evacuation insurance pays to get you to the nearest adequate medical facility. You can find ample coverage of $1 million per person in the best travel insurance policies. Trip interruption insurance. If you have to cut your trip short because of a reason listed in the policy, trip interruption insurance is valuable coverage to have. It can reimburse you for the non-refundable parts of your trip that you miss, such as resort stay or prepared scuba diving lesson. It can also pay for a last-minute one-way ticket home if you have an emergency. Baggage delay coverage. Your bags may be on their own detour, but what you do while you are waiting? This coverage reimburses you for necessities while you wait for your luggage. For example, if you are in Canada, you may need a coat, hat, and essential toiletries. Politicians policy usually require a certain time delay before baggage delay coverage kicks in, such as 6 hours. Baggage loss and personal effects coverage. If your luggage does not arrive at your destination when you do, it can throw your trip into chaos. Baggage insurance can at least ease the financial pain a little. It can reimburse you for the bags and clothes and shoes that never arrive, but note that reimbursement is for depreciated value of the items, not the cost to buy new ones. It also it also pays out for items lost to theft. What's not covered by travel insurance? There are common things not covered by travel insurance. Make sure you read a policy exclusion so you are not caught by surprise later. For example, injuries from high risk activities may not be covered, such as scuba diving, nor are problems that happen because you were drunk or using drugs. Medical tourism is also a common exclusion. So if you are going abroad for a facelift or other elective procedure, travel insurance won't cover hospital bills or aftercare. If you lose cash or is stolen, that is typically also excluded from reimbursement under more travel insurance plans. Most keep in mind that travel insurance is designed to protect you against unforeseen events and emergencies. For instance, if you want to cancel a trip because you are afraid of flying, that's not covered under standard trip cancellation insurance. How much travel insurance cost? The average cost of travel insurance is 6% of your trip cost based on a Forbes advisor analysis of travel insurance rates. The cost of travel insurance is usually mainly based on the age of travelers and the trip cost. इधर इन्होंने बताया ट्रिप कॉस्ट बताई है जो कि मतलब कि एवरेज ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस कोर्स के मुताबिक होनी चाहिए। ठीक है, आज की वीडियो में ये भी खत्म करते हैं, इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इस वीडियो को देख सकें और इससे फ़ायदा हासिल कर सकें। शुक्रिया।